Greetings to all my brothers and sisters, whether you're there foreign, nearing, and yard. Greetings to everybody. So, Miss Pat's coming to you again on our little idea and solution talk. And today we're not going to do a whole lot of talking, but from the first introduction, me tell you that we don't talk about everything Jamaica, and we're not going to hold back. But today, me not going to talk about it, me don't show no it. So I want to take a look at some of them pictures here and tell me from deep down in our heart and all the way up in our big head, if we not really ready for dash with this, if we not go fight for no sweet Jamaica, we want to look at them a picture here. Because we want to look at the picture them, you know. Some of the places, some of them may go, some of them may not. Some may have an idea of the place, but never really go there. Some hear about it, some only see it as pictures. So when you look on it today, you tell me from deep down in your heart, if you're not willing to fight for this a sweet Jamaica. Yeah. And if you're not willing, and you just say you don't give up, a whole heap of people line up ready for it. As a matter of fact, as me that talk to you right now, then I line up, because some of them already down there and ready to take it over. But here's the deal. 5 people can't get away. 10 people can't get away. 20 people can't get away. We own that. So whether you're born there or your parents born there and no born and nearing or foreign, we no get ready to fight for it because we not get up to nobody. Just as how the rest of people see it nice, it beautiful, as some me want to no see it. So we no get ready to fight for it. So go and take a look on them picture there and tell me what you think. Because I want to know all right to no comments down at the bottom. And as me say, make sure you no watch, you no listen, you no learn, you no subscribe, you no share. Tell all our friends about everything. And then we can take it from there. All right? Go and watch. All right, now that you see some nice, beautiful picture of Jamaica, tell me right now if you don't want to preserve this. This are just few little bit of the pictures you see of what the beauty is all about. So tell me if you're not willing to fight for this and preserve this. So your pitney, your grandpitney, your great-grandpitney, all of them can grow up and see the beauty of this place. Remember, the entire world see it as one of the most beautiful places on God's earth. And we, they pop it down. So we want all of us to stop all of that and lift up ourselves higher. We are a big time brand. We name Jamaica. And we are strong people. So let's preserve this. A whole heap of people line up right now want it, want to take it away from we. And we can't make that happen. Feel we it. We not sell it. It is not for sale. We not give away. I feel we it. And we not give away. We dey keep it. We dey preserve it. So me hope somewhere, somehow, them pictures here get in our heart. And you tell yourself, you know what? A serious situation this, It's a full little yard and we have to keep it. So, as me say, me hope you enjoy it and want to take care of yourself. Wow, good. And me catch you again. Me spots out.